Hello, I am Sean Calhoun with PrettyHomeRealty.com, and today I have with me my lovely wife,
Christina Calhoun.
and today we're going to be talking about a little problem that some people are having. Maybe not you, but maybe you. Maybe you haven't told anybody there that you're having this problem, and that is finding the right home. Okay, so maybe there's a home in a really nice neighborhood, a nice community that you have, but you haven't been able to grab that house. Well, we want you to consider something. So we're going to be having a video with the 3 tips, but we're going to give you a tip today that might be outside of that box. And that is finding a home that may be a little bit of a fixer-upper. Now you might be saying, I don't want a fixer-upper. I want a dream home. I want the house that's just right for me. Well, we're going to show you how to get all of that, okay? And that's by getting a home that needs a little bit of a renovation loan. So we can help you with that. We're gonna just flip this around. Okay, so today we're in Oak Park, and this is one of our newest properties that will be coming to market really soon. And this home is really nice, but it's a bit of a fixer-upper. What's the square footage here, Christina? Do you remember the square footage?
I want to say 15 to 1700.
Yeah, we're talking about 15 to 1700 square foot, and this home, it needs a little bit of TLC. Okay, now it still offers 2.5 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, a full basement. I mean, this house has the works, but it needs a little bit of a renovation loan. If that's something that may interest you, reach out to us, because again, we have the renovation loan, okay, available to you. We have the designers and we have the builders to help you complete the job. So again, this is Sean Calhoun and Christina Calhoun with PrettyHomeRealty.com. And until the next one, we'll see ya. Let's get it.